So the last 24 hours have been very eventful, not just for myself, but also for a lot of people in the group. And I want to start off this video by showing you one envelope that came in. I already opened it because it came in like a whole bunch of other envelopes and I was kind of on a streak and I didn't realize that this was going to be one of those ones I'm going to have to open in front of the camera. But this one came in from, let me just do this. It came in from Lori, and she's from Utah. And let me just show you guys this part here. Hopefully you guys can see this on the camera if it focuses for me. Right there, Lori. And she sent in her payment for the first income stream, which is Easy1up, and she sent a big note with it too. And let me just open this, and as you can see, there's cash inside. So let's check how much is in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually, she sent in $600. So you're probably, Lori, first of all, thank you very much for joining. And you've sent in more than you should have. Actually, the other, it's $500 for the program, and then the admin fee goes directly to the admin. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna basically make the, I'm gonna send this to the admin myself, and also make sure to, with whatever is left, kind of hook you up with some traffic. So now this is just for my own result, just what came in the mail. So this is just to show you, first of all, that if you're worried that, oh, I don't have a merchant account and I don't know how to collect payments online, you don't need to. You don't need to. In this business that we have, yes, there's an online component to it, but also you can collect payments offline. I mean, you have an address. If you have an address, you can collect payments that way. Very, very simple. So now let me show you what's been happening in the group, because this is exciting, but let me show you some really exciting stuff. As you can see here, this is the main group that actually want to invite you in once you created an account. And as you can see here, Scott just posted 42 minutes ago. Let's read this together. David, thanks again, my friend, for another Vertex Live. $4,000 in the last 12 hours. And then he wrote some more stuff. $4,000 in the last 12 hours. Now let's keep going here. Here's another member, Ontarian. 5 hours ago, he posted, hey, I thought I would join the party. Sorry, I'm late. Just made it quick. $1,000 within 48 hours with the system. $1,000 within 48 hours of starting to use the system. So again, guys, this is, don't complicate. If you're watching this and you're like, is it too late to start? Have I missed the boat on this whole online.com stuff? It's not late. In my opinion, we haven't even properly gotten started yet. So this is the perfect time to jump in, and, I do the work for you, and while you get to keep all the commissions. But what I need for you to do is to be able to follow very simple instructions, which is going to take you maybe 10 minutes to kind of do and set everything up. That's if you're taking your time. If you do it faster, then it could be much faster than that. But let's keep going here. I want to show you a few more. Here's another one from Scott. He posted this 13 hours ago, where the first, 2K came in, and he did $3,000 in 2 hours with the system. $3,000 in 2 hours. That was 13 hours ago. And then another $2,000 came in. So now check this out. Here's another one from Tony, who posted about $1,000 commission. Here's another one from a member that I sent you, that I mentioned last time, made $2,000. And I could keep going on and on and on. There was another one here 14 hours ago, $1,000. $1,000 that he got to make. He says, hey, thanks for the system. So what is the system? If you're wondering that now, how is it possible that, payments are coming in by mail, members are, making commissions left and right online? How does it work? Well, here's how it works. It's really simple. Below this video, you're going to find a button, or depending on where you're watching this. If you're watching this on my webpage, there's going to be a button just below this video. I want you to click that button. It's going to take you to a page that has a webinar on it. The webinar is going to show you three things. Number one is, what is the system and how does it work? How is it possible that David does the work and you're the one that keeps the commissions? It's going to explain exactly how that works, what programs we're promoting, and everything else. Number two, it's going to show you how to set it up. And number three, it's going to show you how to light up and start up your system, basically by getting some traffic to it. You don't need to be an expert at anything. You don't need any fancy internet marketing skills to be able to do this. So if you're interested in learning more about this and getting started, just click the link that's just below this video. Now, if you're watching this on YouTube, then it's not going to be a button. It's going to be a link just below this video in the description box. So all you got to do right now, if you're interested in learning more and you want to basically explore this to see how is it possible that someone else can do the work and you get to keep the commissions, just like you've seen all the different examples that I've shown you just in the last 24 hours, then just click the link below. You do not need to build websites. You do not need to shoot videos. You do not need to send emails. You do not need to write emails. You do not need to do anything that you don't know how to do. And whatever little you do need to do, I do show you inside the webinar. So I do the work. I follow up with your leads. I send them the email. I write the email messages. I send them from my own system, so you don't have to deal with any tech or anything like that. I make sure that they have a webinar to watch that explains everything and how it works. I make sure to shoot videos and upload them to the server and make sure that the pages are set up and everything that needs to happen for the business to run. I do the work while you get to keep all the commissions, everything that you've configured in the system, which I show you how to do. It's very simple. Again, there's nothing complicated here. All you got to do right now, if you're interested in learning more about this and potentially joining, is click the link below. Now, I will give you one word of warning. This is not for you if you're looking for small, little, tiny, teeny commissions. If you're looking for the $7, $10, $5, $12 commissions, this is not for you. I can tell you right now, I don't have anything like that in here, nor do I want to get involved in the small commissions arena. The reason is I've done it before and it didn't get me anywhere. So if you're looking to earn potentially big commissions like $1,000, $2,000, even up to $16,500 per commission, then I want you to click the link that's just below the video and go check it out. If it is for you, you'll know by the end of the webinar if this is for you or not. And if it is for you, then I look forward to posting about your results here in the group. So you can first of all join us, and I'm going to welcome you into the system and stuff, and basically to have you post your results in the group. That's one of the things that we like to do here. It's like a big online party thing where you get to come in and we all kind of get to help each other out and stuff. And again, I'm the one doing the work and you're the one that gets to keep all the commissions. So if that interests you, click the link below the video and let's see how we can put some of these in your pocket. All right. So until the next video, we'll talk soon. Bye for now.